Cic gornel i'r Fflint. Lychry man i mewn teg at y post yn y gosa na. Mae'n dod i mewn ar bel yn gefn yr hwyd. Danny Harrison sy'n ei hawlio hi. Difallai fod na byffyriad ola yn dod i ar Adam Davies. Dechrau delfrydol i dîm Leaf Fowler. Beaumont beniad ymlaen. Isaac Clark. Beaumont yn parhau reded. Mae groesiad i Acpro. Clark sy'n mynd da gan yr ymwelwyr ar y gergyd gan Simmons yn ffliachu i o'r postyn pella. Phillips rwan ar Cic gornel. Teg at y postyn pella. So neb ar gyfel Thomason yn cael ei chlirio wedyn gan y Fflint. Neb ar gyfel Thomason ar y postyn pella. Fydd y benio'n isel iawn. Taro goesa Harry Allen. Y Fflint yn poeni dim. Fydd i ddim taro cefn yr hwyd. Mae'n wedi Adam Davies. Dyn ni'n ôl i Ryan Edwards. Sgwar i Jake Phillips dy cefn efo yma. Adam Davies di tynnu'n allan ar groesiad teg at y postyn pella. Mae'n twyllo pawb. A mae Airbus i dod yn gyfartal. Bo Cornish a fewn 20 eiliad i'r ail hanner gychwyn. I gol gynta i'r clwb. Dechrau gwych i'r ail hanner i dîm a Callan. Mae'n fydd Leaf Fowler ddim yn hapus ffordd mae dîm o wedi cychwyn yr ail hanner yma. Cyffyrddiad cynta da gan Acpro yn lledu'r chwarae. I O'Keira Simmons mewn y cwrt Cosby dan bwysig gan Payne. Simmons dal ar meddiant traed cyflym ar ergyd yn ffliachio Eibwy Lewis Dutton a mae droed y Fflint yn ôl ar y blaen. 4 munud ar 15 o'r ail hanner wedi chwarae. Chweched gol o'r tymor i Simmons i drydydd yn erbyn Airbus. Garrett lledu'r chwarae. Chwilio am Simmons unwaith eto. Beaumont arbeniad. Carroll. Chwilio am Kavanagh tu cefn i'r amddiffyn Kavanagh cyfleroedd. Ond ar y postyn pella yn dod i mewn gyda neb ar ei gyfel. Oedd Acpo. A dim ond 90 eiliad ers i Fflint fynd ar y blaen. Mae'n wedi ymestyn i mantais i 7fed gol o'r tymor. Sy'n siawn sgyn i'n selio'r triffwynt i dîm Leaf Fowler.
Yeah, the one good thing about this group is pound for pound, I think they're the best players in the league. We've got lads on £30 a week, £50 a week, and they don't dwell on mistakes or losses. You know, after the TNS game when we lost 8-1, they bounced back. They're just a good group to work with, and that's why I was disappointed the most, is that we were poor first half, and they were very good.
Very disappointed. I just said to the lads in there, between two boxes, or both boxes, you know, we can match people and sometimes outplay teams, but it's moments in the game, in defensively and attacking wise, that have cost us.
2 games to go now, and again another both crucial games, and look forward to Wednesday against Carnarvon.
Yeah, as I said, the disappointment from last Saturday. I think we go on to win that game by 5 or 6 goals. Listen, hope the man gets well from Carnarvon, the fan, but we've got to go again now Wednesday, and we know where we are with it. I'm a manager who lives in the real world. We've been in a relegation battle really sort of the last, since the split really, and no one's really got to push themselves up, or it's always been close. It's probably more exciting for the neutral to watch the bottom 6 than it is the top 6 at the minute. But listen, we know what we've got to do. We know we're effective. We know we're hard working. We don't play the best football at times, but what we will be is got a lot of fight in us, and that's what we're going to need in this relegation battle.
The board are meeting next week to discuss things. If you're asking me if I would like the job, then yes, and then we go from there. But you know, we'll see what happens.